Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Casa Brew's CM5418 Espresso Machine 20 bar. Brew barista quality coffee in the comfort of your kitchen with the Casa Brew's CM5418 Espresso Machine 20 bar. The Casa Brew's coffee machine with milk frother allows you to prepare all your favorite espresso-based coffees. You can enjoy a barista brewed latte, cappuccino, or macchiato at home. Stainless steel appearance, stylish and durable, ideal for any size kitchen. This compact espresso coffee maker is perfect for home or office use. Designed for espresso lovers who crave rich, flavorful coffee every day, this sleek and powerful machine combines modern aesthetics with professional-grade performance. Enjoy optimal espresso extraction with the powerful 20 bar pump that delivers consistent pressure for full flavor and rich crema. Perfect for espresso, cappuccino, latte, or macchiato. Built with a durable stainless steel body, the CM5418 is not only stylish, but also resistant to wear, ensuring long-term performance and elegance on your countertop. Simple, intuitive buttons and a clear pressure gauge give you full control over your brew, whether you're a beginner or an espresso aficionado. The beautiful and compact design makes this small espresso machine suitable for any size kitchen. Our second best espresso machine for home is Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine brings professional level coffee brewing into your kitchen. Designed for coffee lovers who crave freshness, control, and rich flavor, this all-in-one machine lets you grind, brew, and steam like a pro. No barista required. Unlock the art of cafe-quality coffee at home with the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Engineered for coffee enthusiasts and aspiring home baristas, this all-in-one powerhouse transforms fresh coffee beans into rich aromatic espresso with precision and ease. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roasted bean. Low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. The powerful steam wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. The Breville Barista Express is your gateway to consistently delicious espresso, handcrafted lattes, and barista-level control right from your kitchen counter. Experience the flavor, freshness, and satisfaction of brewing like a pro. Third pick in our list is DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. Elevate your morning routine with the sleek and stylish DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine, perfect for espresso lovers who want rich, satisfying coffee without the countertop clutter. Created for those embarking on their espresso journey, this elegantly designed machine allows you to easily craft authentic espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos in the comfort of your own home. The perfect addition to your modern kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Plus, it's easy to clean. Stilosa is an elegantly designed espresso machine that elevates your espresso experience at home. The 15-bar pressure pump delivers solid espresso with a nice crema, especially if you're using freshly ground beans. It may not match the quality of high-end machines, but it absolutely outperforms most entry-level models. The espresso is strong, flavorful, and consistent once you get the grind and tamp just right. We've incorporated new features that let you easily craft authentic espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos with ease, just the way you like them. With its compact, contemporary design, innovative features, and streamlined process, the perfect espresso is more accessible than ever before with Stilosa by DeLonghi. Guarantees the optimal pressure to extract a single or double espresso so your coffee drink comes out perfectly rich. Featuring a modern brushed stainless steel design, the Stylosa fits neatly into small kitchens, offices, or studio apartments while adding a touch of elegance. Number 4 on our side is QJA Espresso Machine. Elevate your at-home coffee experience with the QJA Espresso Machine, a sleek and modern espresso maker designed to deliver rich, flavorful espresso, creamy cappuccinos, and silky lattes without the complexity of a commercial machine. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring home barista, this machine offers premium features in a compact, user-friendly design. The QJA Espresso Machine brings together power, precision, and simplicity, making it easy to enjoy your favorite espresso drinks at home whenever you want. From morning pick-me-ups to weekend coffee rituals, this machine is built to impress. Our coffee maker is equipped with an advanced LED touchscreen, which has a stylish and exquisite appearance. With the intuitive touchscreen design, the brewing process is greatly simplified, making it easy when using Espresso Maker. Espresso coffee machines can also customize coffee brewing programs according to your preferences. This coffee maker comes with 20-bar professional pump and 1400W powerful boiler, coupled with a quick heating system, allowing you to get a cup of coffee with a silky texture in a short time, perfect for busy coffee lovers. This cappuccino machine allows you to try a variety of flavors at home, easily satisfy your taste preferences, and become your Number 5 in our top 5 best espresso machine for home list is Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker and Barista System. Meet the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System, your ultimate all-in-one coffee solution. Designed to satisfy every coffee craving, this versatile brewer combines the bold richness of espresso with the smooth convenience of classic drip coffee, all in a sleek, space-saving design. Whether you're an espresso enthusiast or a daily coffee drinker, this machine adapts to your routine with barista-level features and Ninja's signature ease of use. Brew rich espresso, classic coffee, or specialty drinks all from one machine. Compatible with both Nespresso-style capsules and ground coffee, it gives you unmatched flexibility in how you enjoy your daily brew. The Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System is a single-serve espresso system that also brews coffee grounds, with brew sizes ranging from single cup to travel mug to 12-cup carafe. Brew coffee grounds in up to 9 sizes and 3 brew styles: classic, rich, and over ice. The built-in fold-away frother allows you to create espresso-based cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, and more. Treat your guests to an espresso-based coffeehouse drink or brew a 12-cup carafe for the crowd. Whether you're making a single espresso shot or brewing into an 8-inch travel mug, the adjustable cup tray can be matched to your needs.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.